Hi, it's Liz from GH, and I am here to teach you how to make the easiest yarn wrapped wreath with things that you might already have around your house. So let's get started. For the base of this project, you will need 2 different sized embroidery hoops, 2 balls of yarn, floral wire, evergreen branches, and some garden clippers or sharp craft scissors. Then to jazz up the wreath, we used pine cones, used tea light tins, spray paint, and hot glue. So first you want to pick out your colors. We went with classic holiday reds, but you can choose any color combo you like. Think about the colors in the space where you're going to be decorating, whether it's your front door, a fireplace, or really anywhere in or outside your home. Start wrapping the yarn around until all of the hoop is covered. For extra security, you can add a dot of hot glue every couple of inches as you wrap. Once you reach the end of the hoop, tie off the yarn and tuck in any loose ends. Repeat all of these steps on the second hoop. When both hoops are done, line them up on one side and wrap floral wire around them until they feel secure. For any perfectionists out there, you can disguise the wire by wrapping extra yarn on top. Layer sprigs of pine or evergreen together in 2 bundles, securing them with floral wire. Lay the bundles in opposite directions on the wreath base to create a nice arrangement and secure them with more wire. To jazz up your wreath, you can spray paint some pine cones in festive colors or metallic shades and then wire them to the wreath. Another fun way to decorate is with used tea light tins. Take an empty tin and snip around the edges and flatten to reveal a starburst shape. Hot glue the starburst onto your wreath for more sparkle. I love this wreath because it's so versatile and it can be reused year after year with fresh greenery. You can try decorating it with special family ornaments, small toys, flowers, berries, even jingle bells would be really fun. Hang your wreath from a sturdy ribbon or string anywhere in your home that needs an extra festive touch. I love a classic front door wreath around the holidays, but I really think every room in the house deserves a little something special this time of year. Be sure to subscribe to GH on YouTube for more holiday tutorials.